Hey, during the second live version of the EZ Cantonese request video, somebody asked how to say hello in Cantonese. I'm going to go through that right now. Hey, what's going on? Welcome to another EZ Cantonese lesson. Make sure you subscribe to this channel, hit the bell so you know when we go live and when new videos come up, you'll be first to know. Alright, so here are 4 ways to say hello in Cantonese. And here it is. Wai, wai, nei hou, hello. Those are the 4. Okay, so the first one is wai. Wai is more like hey, an informal type of hello. The second one is wai. That is used for when you answer the telephone, like this. Wai. The third one is nei hou, which in my opinion is not used too often, is more of a formal hello. So one thing I almost forgot to mention that for nei hou is for one person. So let's just say there's 3 or 4 or more people. When you see them, you can say 大家好. So instead of saying 你好,你好,你好,你好 for each person, you can just say 大家好. 大家好 is a plural version of 你好. So when you see several people and you want to greet them, you can use 大家好. The last one is hello, which is really just a Chinese accent version of the English hello. Hello. That's it. Hey, that's all time for this week's EZ Cantonese. Those are the 4 ways to say hello in Cantonese. And if I've missed some, maybe I did, make sure you leave a comment below and let me know, okay? And if you want to practice, make sure you click on the link up here, our very first EZ Cantonese Let's Practice video. It's a very long video and all the hello and the practicing is all in there. Lastly, give this video a like, would you? And thank you for watching. I'll see you next time.